Let's dive into creating custom packages in Go. This guide will cover how to build your own Go packages for code reusability and best practices. So what exactly are Go packages? A package is essentially a collection of related Go source files, all residing in the same directory. These files work together to provide a specific set of functionalities. Packages offer several key benefits, including better code organization, enhanced reusability, encapsulation of related functionality, and isolation for testing purposes. Let's explore the recommended directory structure for Go packages. Typically, you'll have a main directory for your project, such as My Project. Inside, you'll find several key folders. The CMD directory holds application entry points, where your main.go file resides. The PKG directory contains public, reusable packages like calculator, which in turn may have math.go and math_test.go. The internal directory is for private packages, such as utils, with helper.go. Lastly, the go.mod file manages module dependencies. Remember, the package name should always match the directory name. Now let's walk through creating your first package. In the pkg/calculator directory, create a file named math.go. This file defines the calculator package and includes functions like add, which takes two integers as input and returns their sum, and multiply, which returns their product. Next, in the CMD directory, create main.go. This file imports the FMT package and your custom calculator package. The main function then calls the add function from the calculator. Package prints the result to the console using fmt.println. Documenting your packages is very important. At the beginning of your package file, provide a package comment that briefly describes the package's purpose. Similarly, add comments to each exported function explaining what it does and what the parameters are. You can then use the godoc command to view the documentation you've written. These comments effectively become the public API documentation for your package. Go supports the concept of internal packages for encapsulation. Looking at the directory structure, you might have an internal directory containing packages like auth with token.go or utils with helper.go. Access rules dictate that packages within the same module can import internal packages, but external modules cannot. This enforces privacy and is ideal for shared utilities within your project. Let's discuss some best practices for Go packages. First, use descriptive package names that accurately reflect the package's purpose. Keep packages focused and cohesive, ensuring they address a specific set of functionalities. Export only necessary functions and types to minimize the public API surface. Write comprehensive tests to ensure the reliability of your package. Avoid circular dependencies between packages, as they can lead to build issues. Don't use generic names like util or common for packages. Instead, opt for more specific names. Avoid deep package hierarchies, as they can make code harder to navigate. Finally, don't export internal implementation details. Keep them private to the package. To summarize, organize your code using command pkg and internal directories for clear separation. Write clear comments for packages and exported functions using godoc conventions. Use internal packages to keep implementation details private from external modules. Keep packages focused, avoid circular dependencies, and export only necessary functions. Following these guidelines will help you create well-structured, maintainable, and reusable Go packages. Happy coding with Go packages!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.